Okay, so today we're gonna check out manual drive on the eQart. And to go to manual drive, we go to cockpit on the eQart application. And here we see we have the controls. So what we have in the top corner is essentially direction. It is the direction that the eQart will travel in. And if you wish to change direction, you simply press the arrow and it will change directions. So now we see the LEDs show us that the driving direction is towards us. So if we would like to switch that, we would press this arrow and the driving direction has now changed to forward. Okay. We see we have two joysticks, one to the right and one to the left. The right one controls forward motion. Essentially, the eQart will drive forward when the forward motion is pressed or when the forward joystick is activated. And then we have a horizontal joystick on the left-hand side, and this controls your turning. So dragging that to the right will turn the eQart to the right. Dragging that to the left will turn the eQart to the left. So very intuitive controls. They work very well. Of course, you can have both joysticks. You can operate both joysticks simultaneously if you have two hands. There's also one additional feature here, and that is the small ones here, 90 and 180. And this is essentially a short command that tells the eQart to turn 90 degrees. So if I press 90 degree and the arrow to the right, the eQart makes a 90-degree turn. And if I would go 90 degrees to the other way, I would just press 90 degrees on the other side. The 180-degree ones work just the same way, only the eQart will then take half a lap, essentially. It will turn half a lap. Very good in tight situations where you just want the eQart to turn around quickly and automatically. Okay, so this is essentially manual drive. This is how it works.